Okay, now we're going to go out to the, we're going to walk the trail that goes out to Bald Mountain Road over toward Morrell Company. Right here we got a little telltale for rabbit, so not telling lies when I say there's animals in here, but this is a trail that'll head out to Bald Mountain Road. So let's take a little bit of shot of this. More of the same, but beautiful, enjoyable anyway. Having a good one. Like I was saying before, well maintained trail. Looks like the skier was through here the other day in this section too, and we were walking the other day, Fred and I were.